at it again with another video, man. Hey, it's your boy Kang, man, from LouKangkickx, man. I appreciate y'all checking out all my videos, man. You know what I mean? We coming back to y'all today with another unboxing. You feel me? Right back with y'all, man. Listen, I need y'all to do me one favor, all right? One time for the one time. Hit that button for your boy, all right? Let's go, man. Let's go. I got an interesting one today, man. I can't wait to see what these things is looking like. I really can't. You know what I mean? I like to say it's been a minute, but I've been dropping all week, so it ain't been a minute. We just right back today. So here we go. Cutters is out.
Only one guy has this level of artistry. Spinning in the lane for the slam. And Spike Lee is all over Michael Jordan. And Michael has a few words by way of retort.
Well, he just told him that he couldn't guard him. Right, see, he said, you can't guard me. You too little. Then he says, hey, you come out here. You come out. Spike said, I will, money.
Michael with 42, and if this was Michael Jordan's final game at Madison Square Garden.
Quick. You know what I'm saying? Just like that. All right. Get them things out. Open them up. Ooh. 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 Man. Look. Check it out, though. You know what I'm saying? Check it out, though, man. Y'all see this box. Y'all know what they are. All right? What we got rocking today, man? Air Jordan Retro 1 Mid Bands, man. Let's read this color code off, man. I've been flagging a little bit on my color codes. I know. Look, black, gem red, white. All right? Size 12 in the mids. Let's do it. Let's get them open, see what these things is looking like, man. This is my first pair of mids, okay? Oh, we got a little Supreme card in there. All right, cool. We got that. We got that. Yeah, get these things out the box, man. I've been wanting to do a comparison on these. Ooh. Man. Just like that, man. The leather on these is nice. They plush. I mean, I'm really curious to see like what the difference is between the height of the mid and the height of the ones are. You know what I mean? I really want to know. Let me get this other one out right quick. Bust it open. You know what I'm saying? Bam. Happy holidays to y'all too, man. Holiday 2020, man. What a year. What a year it's been, man. Look. Check me out, though. The Jordan 1 Band. In the mids. So let's just get a little bit of a comparison going on right now. You know what I'm saying? Let's just look. I want to see how much bigger this is right now. You know what I mean? Like, let me just take a look. Let's just take a little peek. Like, what do y'all think? It's not that much of a difference, man. It's not. Like, what is that? Like, that don't even look like an inch. You know what I mean? Like, that's not even really an inch to me. Like, look at that. It really ain't too much of a difference. Keep it solid, right? Let me make sure the stitching is lined up right there, just like that. It's not that much of a difference, man. Hey, look, fire pair. My first pair of AJ1 mids, man. I mean, it's a dope shoe. It's a very dope shoe. I mean, I'm digging the quality on it. I like it. Like, I would bust these. You know what I mean? Especially on, like, a day where, like, I really don't feel like, you know what I'm saying? Like, just busting no highs. You know what I'm saying? Because, you know, the price on the highs and the mids is, like, completely different, man. Completely different. But, hey, we got them bands, bruh. Banned from the NBA, man. I'm not going to tell y'all that story about Jordan and how he was getting fined for wearing his shoes and everything, man, because everybody know that story. By now, everybody got that. Everybody know that story. So, look, man, I appreciate y'all for rocking with me just like always, all right? anybody and everybody, bro, miss, sis, you know what I'm saying? Your mama, your cousin, aunties, friends, cats, cousins, friends, dogs, peoples, you know what I'm saying? All your peoples and all my peoples, man. Hey, hit that sub button for your boy. Hit that like button, man. Pull up in the comments, man. Because, hey, like I told y'all, I'm going to keep coming, man. I'm not going to stop. I'm not going nowhere. You feel me? Yo, my name is Lou Kang from LouKangkickx, and I appreciate each and every one of y'all, all right? Until next time, man. We out.